Hello, my name is Dr. Kevin Sorgi, and I will be speaking to you about best screencasting software. Yes, the three choices of screencasting software that I chose are Screencast-O-Matic, Microsoft Teams, and Nimbus. The first screencast software that I'll be discussing is Screencast-O-Matic. And what we'll be talking about is the audience and evaluation of the software. It is easy to use. The audience that will use it is anyone with a minimal amount of familiarity with online tools who needs to create content that may include tutorials, demonstrations of software. The basic version, the free version, allows for 15-minute recordings. Some of the key features of Screencast-O-Matic are that it captures a succession of actions and images on a screen. A critical factor is that it empowers the user to become familiar quickly without signing up or downloading anything. Some of the other key features are that it minimizes privacy concerns for the end user. Making a video is a matter of stopping and starting the process with controls that are comparable to using YouTube. Once the video is recorded, the user can either save it onto their own device in an MP4 format or upload it to Screencast-O-Matic site, YouTube, or Google Drive. Usability. It takes time and practice to learn how to use Screencast-O-Matic. There's plenty of training and support available in general for Screencast-O-Matic. And it works well with Windows, Macs, and Linux operating systems. It's very flexible. It can be integrated into 30 different programs. More specifically, they talk about Zoom and how that it just creates something good with Zoom. Pricing, the basic version of Screencast-O-Matic is available for free as an extension of Google Chrome. The deluxe version is $20, which adds to the ability to perform basic video editing, recording audio from the computer, and importing narration and music. Value. Screencast-O-Matic is an excellent tool for creating screencasts consistent quality. It is easy to use, and you learn good documentation and support through its tutorials, and offers flexibility for sharing and saving videos. The second screencasting software that I'll discuss is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams provides a good team concept that integrates teaching learning space, offering a lot of features that are comparable and in some cases even better than an online platform such as Moodle. Microsoft provides a sophisticated solution in the aspect that it can be used as a learning management system by teachers. It can also support both synchronous and asynchronous learning. Using this Microsoft Teams, it's possible to take live online classes for multiple students at a pre-scheduled time. If a core content teacher wants, they can record their videos and upload those to the application for students to view at a later time. When comparing a traditional e-learning system, Microsoft Teams has a selection of file sharing. Microsoft Teams also has a specific element that can be used by the educators to upload any type of file, PowerPoints, Word or PDF documents, and video lectures that they want the learners to refer to. Equally, it's able to have formative and summative assessments you can construct, and you can use either objective or subjective assessments that these students can take, and there's a rubric there and it will automatically grade. The other component of Microsoft Teams is that social networking is another key factor into the Microsoft Teams software by allowing people to individualize and also group chat facilities in there. And the other thing that's nice about Microsoft Teams that I didn't discuss was that Screencast-O-Matic can also be used in Microsoft Teams. It's seamless. The third and final screencast software is Nimbus. Very similar to Screencast-O-Matic. It can capture whole or partial screenshots. We can record video screen using a webcam. You can publish screencasts on YouTube or Google Drive. You can highlight text. It's low cost. It's also free. It's also a Google Chrome extension where you can use pay for it $48, and it includes Nimbus Notes. It's also FERPA and COPA and iKeep certified. Another thing that should be noted is that Nimbus Capture can be used with Nimbus Note as a complementary product. Nimbus Note is a single place where you can manage your information, your assignments, and student information. You can create online whiteboard for teaching and perform many different tasks that are incorporated in your teaching job. You can upload screenshots, video recordings to the Nimbus workspaces along with other information. I want to thank you very much for taking the time out to listen to my presentation.